Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to link Porkbun domain to Zoho Mail. So first thing you need to do is to sign up an account to your Porkbun and add your domain to their system. After entering your domain name, you'll be prompted to manually verify your domain via DNS records. You can choose either add a CNAME record or a TXT record, but for this guide, we'll assume you're choosing the TXT record method. So you will be provided a DNS record with a name or host column and a value or content column. Take note of the information displayed in those fields. In a new browser tab, log into your Porkbun account. You should arrive at the domain management screen. And if you're already logged in, click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate the domain and connect the Zoho Mail. Click on the details button all the way to the right of the domain name. On the details drop-down menu that appears, find the option labeled DNS records and click on the edit icon. So this one right here. You'll be presented with the Manage DNS Records menu. This menu is where you'll configure your domain to connect to Zoho Mail. Set the type option to TXT record. You'll most likely leave the host field blank, but you can check the name or host column on the record Zoho gave you to confirm that. In the answer or value field on Porkbun, paste the value of the TXT record that Zoho provided you. So it will look like this. So you will enter the value here. Then click on the Add button. If you scroll down the same menu to the current record section, you will see the new record you created. So this will be the record. Now go back to Zoho and click on the Verify TXT record option. If you added the record correctly, you will see a message saying your domain ownership has been verified. Now you can create the first user or email address for your domain. Enter the email address you want to configure, then click Create. You'll be given the option to add additional users to create groups for your email users. Once you've set things up as desired, continue through the setup guide on Zoho until you get to the DNS mapping session. You will be provided a set of DNS records that also need to be added to your domain. You'll see a few MX records on SPF record and a DKIM record. Note that the most of the records, the host or name field will be shown as ampersand. This means the same thing as simply leaving the host field on Porkbun blank, like you did either with the verification record. Copy each MX record one at a time with MX records. You'll need to copy the value or content and paste it to the answers or value field on Porkbun. Make sure you set the priority as instructed by Zoho too. The MX record should be formatted like this. Now once the MX record have been added to Porkbun, you'll repeat the same process with the SPF record. Be sure you select the TXT type, then paste the value of the SPF record as given to you by Zoho. After doing this, click Add. Finally, the last record you'll add is a DKIM record. Note that the host field for this record won't be blank like it is with the other records. Copy over the name or host and the value and content to the respective fields on Porkbun. Click on Add. Your record will end up being formatted something like this. Now go back to Zoho Mail and click the Verify All Records option. If everything was added correctly, you will see a success screen letting you know that the records have been verified. And that's it. Thanks for watching.